Hi, it's Neil at Toolstop TV here, and I'm here today at Makita to show you this brand new BO3710 or 3711 random orbit sander. As you can see, it's a much more sexy model than the predecessor. It'll take standard sheets, or you can buy this in lengths and cut it to size. You've got this plate here which will go on here like this, punch the holes for you in the sanding sheets. It's got a dust extractor, it's got a more powerful motor, 190 watts. You've got on top here on the 3711, you've got your adjustable orbit speed.